Hello, everyone. Welcome to day 7 of our 30-day English study plan. You've made it to the end of the first week. Well done. Today is all about recapping what we've learned so far. Okay, so let's start by putting everything together with some sentence practice. I'll give you a sentence with a gap and you'll fill it in using what we've covered so far. I'll give you a few seconds to think and then I'll tell you the correct answer. Ready? Let's go. She in an office every day, but right now she from home. Number 2, I to the cinema last night and a great movie. They to Paris next week. They've already booked the tickets. You so much fast food if you want to stay healthy. We'll meet 10 a.m. Monday. Okay, here are the answers. The first answer is she works in an office every day, but right now she is working from home. Next one, I went to the cinema last night and I saw a great movie. Number 3, they are traveling to Paris next week. They've already booked the tickets. You shouldn't eat so much fast food if you want to stay healthy. We'll meet at 10 a.m. on Monday. That's it for today. You've done amazing work this week. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to keep practicing, keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 8. See you soon. Bye for now.